Hello Manzoor, you are watching in Discovery Channel. Creation of the universe is our topic today. Expansion of the universe. The universe is called vast space. It is not possible to make a final decision about its size. Assuming that the universe is so vast that human knowledge cannot estimate its vastness, estimated when human knowledge assumes the boundaries of the universe. That from this frontier the universe begins. In the same way, the idea of the boundaries of the universe continues to create imagination but will not be able to conquer the vastness of the universe. Allah Almighty has invited man to reflect on the universe. And man is trying his best to know the ups and downs of the universe. Now man has invented the telescope, which shows things 50 times closer. The first telescope, 1, was invented by Flanders Leprosy in 1608. Galileo Galilei invented the telescope in 1610 and observed the moon for the first time through the telescope. Now is the time of modern technology. Radio telescope has been invented. Experts claim to be seeing stars billions of light years away that are billions of times larger than the sun. It is a divine instruction. Parano. 24, Surah Ham al-Sajda 12. Translation, and we have made the sky world with the lamps and has also made safe all the stars that shine at night are in the first heaven. Even if their distance is billions of light years. The greatest wisdom in the universe is that there is no disturbance in such a vast universe. Almighty Allah says, Parano. 29, Surah Malik 3:4 Translation, He has made the 7 heavens above each other, so you will not see any disorder in the creation of the Most Gracious. Just look back and see if there are any disturbances. Version 4 Translation, then returning and see again, your eyes will be fucked and tired of you. Allah Almighty has said in these 2 verses that you will not find any disorder in the universe system. You will not get any badness anywhere. You observe the universe again. Despite your repeatedly, you will not find any disorder in the universe. Repeatedly does not end up. The series is constantly spreading. Parano. 27, Surah al-Zariyat 47 Translation, and we have created the heavens by might and we are the expanders. Power is called energy. In this verse Allah is saying that we have created the heavens with energy. That is, the earliest material to create the sky was energy. Matter is created by the condensation of energy, and energy is created by the scattering of matter. Thus, the two are inseparable. This verse proves that the universe is constantly expanding. Listen to Mr. John Aldar's words in this regard. He says that the waves that come out of the stars indicate that the combination of stars that make up this world is increasing as fast as their speed. An example of this is that at one time all these stars were gathered in this center and then they separated from each other and went in all directions with speed and speed. Experts have estimated the spread of the curve in 11,000 kilometers per second. Long-distance galaxies have so little light in front of our eyes that it is difficult to estimate their speed because there is not enough light. This context proves that our galaxy is not in a state of expansion and is also the center of the universe. In fact, no one understands the true meaning of the expansion of the universe. Saw 40 years ago, they are still in the same condition today, otherwise not a single star would be visible today with such great speed.